Hi, this is Untitled Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 MGZS stock number 7223. It's run from the 2022 to the current shape. It's a 1-speed electric engine backed by 1-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1-speed reduction gear electric engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory inaudible tire. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory inaudible tire, left hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory inaudible tire, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory inaudible tire, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,